What's up everyone? Our next tutorial is going to be about variables. So there's four main types of variables that we're going to be worried about. These are strings, integers, floats, and booleans. So strings are words just like hello. You can make this as long as you want. Hello world, this is Ian. Integers are just numbers without any decimal places. So we'll say b equals 100. And the way these variables work is that this number 100, it gets assigned into this variable name. So whenever b is called later in the program, it's going to be referring to this number. Let's move on to floats. Floats are decimal place numbers, so 1.000023748. Booleans are true or false values, so it can either be true or it can be false. And you gotta make sure the first letter is a capital. So now let's print out all of these in our program. So we'll say print A, print B, that's the integer, print C, the float, and print D, the boolean. Let's save it, Command S, click up arrow, and run it. So hello world, this is Ian, 100, 1 point, all that, and false. So as you can see, these are the correct variables, and yeah, let's move on to the next tutorial.